Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we're going to learn how to add payments to your Wix form. But just a quick heads up before you can do this, you must already have your site upgraded to a plan that supports collecting payments. And you must also have a payment method already connected to your site. We've created videos on how to upgrade your site and how to connect a payment method, and we'll link it on the description box below. Once those things are taken care of, then we're ready to set up payments on our forms. So on the Wix editor, go to the form you want to add a payment to, or you can create a new one by going to Add Elements, Contact and Forms. You can select from pre-made forms over here or create a new one. Whether you select an existing one or a new one, you will be taken to the form editor. And here, start building your form by adding the fields you need to add, which you can find here on the left. I'm just going to be editing this one for today's example. And of course, let's not forget to add the payment field. So we can find that here on the payments section. And here we'll have four options to choose from. Product, which sells products directly from your form. Fixed price, which collects payments for services, registration fees, deposits, etc. Custom price, which lets people choose the amount they want to pay. And donation, which accepts contributions for your cause or organization. And depending on the option you selected, you can set up things here on the left. Configure the settings here according to your needs and preferences, especially including the amount and the label or the field title. Once you're done, try previewing it on the Preview tab. Here you can preview it and interact with it like a live visitor would. And of course, go to Settings and properly rename your form so that you can easily identify it on the dashboard later on. Apart from the name, make sure that you also set up your confirmation message. Payments already set, so that's all good. Advanced form validations if you need it. Spam filter. Set your form status where you can set your form's expiration date and submissions limit. And then finally, here on the Submissions tab is where you can see the responses received on this form, which you can also, by the way, view on your dashboard. Once you're all good, then click on Save to save your new form. And in case you want to edit its design, just simply click on it and go to Settings, go to the Design tab, and customize your form background, form fields, header and paragraph, and buttons just how you like. Once everything's all good, click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. And if it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.